Have you ever wondered why humans walk upright, while most other animals move on all fours? This question has fascinated scientists for generations. Today, we're diving into the story of how and why our ancestors made the shift from walking on all fours to standing tall on two legs. Understanding this transformation not only reveals secrets about our past, but also helps explain many features of our bodies today. Let's start at the beginning, millions of years ago, when our earliest ancestors roamed the earth in a world very different from our own. Humans share a common ancestor with modern apes, and for millions of years our ancestors lived in trees. These early primates used all four limbs to climb and move through the branches, a lifestyle that shaped their bodies. But as the environment began to change, so did the challenges they faced. Forests started to thin out and open grasslands appeared, pushing our ancestors to adapt in new ways. This shift in habitat set the stage for one of the most important changes in our evolutionary history. As forests gave way to savannas, our ancestors spent more time on the ground. Walking upright or bipedalism became increasingly useful. Standing on two legs allowed early humans to see over tall grasses, spot predators, and search for food more efficiently. This new way of moving also freed up their hands, opening up possibilities for carrying objects, using tools, and eventually making fire. The transition from tree dwelling to ground living was a gradual process, but it was a turning point in our story. Bipedalism means walking on two legs. It's a rare trait among mammals, and humans are the only primates who do it all the time. This unique way of moving required major changes in our skeletons, muscles, and balance. Our spine became more S-shaped, our pelvis widened, and our feet developed arches for better support. These adaptations made upright walking more efficient and less tiring, setting us apart from our closest relatives. One big advantage of walking upright is the ability to see farther across open landscapes. In the savanna, being able to spot predators or food sources from a distance could mean the difference between life and death. Upright posture gave early humans a better view of their surroundings, helping them avoid danger and find opportunities. This new perspective was a key factor in our ancestors' survival and success. Walking on two legs freed up our ancestors' hands for other important tasks. With their hands available, early humans could carry food, tools, and even infants. This ability to transport objects helped them gather and share resources, work together, and develop more complex social behaviors. Over time, our hands became more skilled, leading to the creation of tools and the beginnings of technology. Bipedal walking is actually more energy efficient than moving on all fours, especially over long distances. Our ancestors needed to travel farther to find food and water as the environment changed. Walking upright allowed them to cover more ground without using as much energy, giving them an advantage in the harsh conditions of the savanna. This efficiency helped early humans survive and thrive. Standing upright also helped our ancestors stay cool under the hot sun. With less of their body exposed to direct sunlight, they could avoid overheating while searching for food or water. This adaptation was especially important in open, sunny environments like the African savanna. Over time, humans developed other ways to stay cool, such as sweating, but upright walking was a crucial first step. Climate change played a major role in the evolution of upright walking. As Africa's climate shifted, forests shrank and grasslands expanded. These new environments favored animals that could move efficiently across open spaces. Our ancestors who could walk upright had a better chance of surviving and passing on their genes. This is a great example of how changes in the Earth's environment can drive evolution. To walk upright, our ancestors' bodies had to change in many ways. Their spines became more curved to support an upright posture. The pelvis widened and shortened, making it easier to balance on two legs. Leg bones grew longer and feet developed arches for better shock absorption. These changes didn't happen overnight, they took millions of years and many generations to develop. Fossil evidence shows that some of our earliest ancestors, like Australopithecus, were already walking upright over 3 million years ago. These early hominins still had some features for climbing trees, but their skeletons show clear adaptations for bipedalism. Discoveries like the famous Lucy fossil have helped scientists piece together the story of how upright walking evolved. With hands-free, our ancestors began to use and make tools. This marked a huge leap in intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Tool use allowed early humans to hunt, gather, and process food more effectively. It also encouraged the development of language and social cooperation, which became key to our species' success. Upright walking and tool use went hand in hand, shaping the course of human evolution. Walking upright changed the way our ancestors interacted with each other. It made it easier to carry food back to a group, share resources, and care for young. These changes encouraged stronger social bonds and more complex communities. Over time, cooperation and communication became essential for survival, laying the groundwork for human society as we know it. Of course, walking upright also brought new challenges. Our ancestors became slower and less able to climb trees quickly to escape danger. Standing tall made them more visible to predators, and the changes in our skeletons increased the risk of back pain and injuries. Despite these risks, the benefits of bipedalism outweighed the drawbacks, and our ancestors continued to evolve in this direction. One major consequence of upright walking was its effect on childbirth. The shape of the human pelvis made giving birth more difficult compared to other primates. As a result, human babies are born earlier and more helpless, needing extra care and protection. This led to stronger family bonds and more cooperation among group members, further shaping our social evolution. Today, walking upright is second nature for us. Our bodies are perfectly adapted for bipedalism, from our strong leg muscles to our balanced posture. We walk, run, and even dance on two legs, a skill that sets us apart from every other animal on Earth. but the story of how we got here is written in our bones, muscles, and the way we move every day. Most animals still move on all fours, which is great for speed and stability, but only a few, like birds and kangaroos, have evolved to walk or hop on two legs. Humans are unique among mammals for our full-time upright walking. This difference highlights just how special our evolutionary path has been. Scientists have found many fossils that show the gradual changes in our ancestors' bones. Footprints preserved in ancient mud, like those at Litali in Tanzania, provide direct evidence of upright walking millions of years ago. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, helping us understand how and why bipedalism evolved. Scientists still debate exactly why upright walking evolved. Some believe it was mainly for seeing over tall grass, while others point to the need for carrying food or using tools. It's likely that many factors work together, each providing its own advantage. What's clear is that bipedalism was a key step on the road to becoming human. Our upright posture affects everything from the way we work to the sports we play. It's the reason we can carry groceries, play basketball, and even use computers. But it also means we're prone to certain problems like back pain and joint issues. Understanding our evolutionary history can help us take better care of our bodies today. Story of why humans walk upright is still unfolding. New discoveries and research continue to shed light on our past. By studying fossils, genetics, and modern humans, scientists are piecing together the incredible journey that made us who we are. Walking upright is more than just a way of moving. It's a symbol of our adaptability, intelligence, and the long road of evolution that connects us all.